Hey, third graders, we're back and we're going to talk about multiplying three numbers. So let's get started, okay? This is the key to remember when you're multiplying three numbers. Remember, we talked about parentheses. We want to put two of our numbers in parentheses, okay? And so the two numbers I'm going to pick are my two smallest. And the reason I want to do that is because I just want to get a smaller number. If you're really good at multiplication and know some of your bigger facts of 12 and 14 and stuff like that, you could pick other numbers. But I'm picking my two smallest, okay? And we know with parentheses, we do that first. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. Good. We still haven't used this, so we're going to bring it straight down. 6 times 4? You got it, 24. Okay. So what are our two smallest numbers that we want to put in parentheses here? Yep, 3 times 2. So what is 3 times 2? You got it, 6. And we still haven't used this, so we have to use it. 6 times 5? 30. Very good. Okay, now sometimes our numbers, they might trip us up a little. We said we want to put the smallest in. What? 3 and 2. Okay, I'll put them in parentheses. Oh, wait a minute. That didn't help us. We don't know what to do first yet. Okay, so the commutative property of multiplication says we can move these numbers into any order we want and then you get the same answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my smallest next to each other and then put them in parentheses. 3 times 2? 6. We still got to use this. 6 times 6? You got it. 36. Okay, here we can use that commutative property again. Which two do we need next to each other? You got it. The two smallest, 2 and 4. So I move them next to each other. Now we can only do this with multiplication and addition. We cannot do this with division and subtraction. So keep that in mind. We can move numbers around when we're only multiplying or only adding. Okay? I'm putting those in parentheses. 2 times 4? You got it. 8 times 5? 40. Good job, guys. Okay, so remember, when you have three numbers to multiply, it's not that hard. Multiply the two smallest first, and then multiply that answer times your third number. See you later, third graders.